So guys, welcome to our room. I'll be doing a room tour for you all. So yeah, this is the entrance, and once you come in, you see the bathroom. Yeah, it's really nice. And this is the toilet. So yeah, this is the like famous or popular Japanese toilet. Wash, flush, and everything for you. So yeah, I came with my spray bottle as usual. Okay, moving into the room. God, guys, we have this huge mirror. I love this mirror. It's so nice. Can you see? Like, just look at this. So nice, guys. I love it. So enough selfies, enough pictures. Ooh. Okay, so let me go in. Go. So look at that, do. Babe.
What's up, guys?
Okay, well. So guys, this is the bathroom. You can see it from the room, but it's closable. Like there's something at the top you can just drag down and close, but it's really nice. I love it. Yeah. Baby, not looking my way. And yeah, we have a TV here.
I think this one is like the one we have at home.
Yeah, right?
That's pride talking.
That's no pride. And yeah, we have another mirror, dressing table. That's what I think it is.
It's not dressing table. It's like that desk for reading.
I have mirror on it. I just be looking at myself instead of reading. So this is it. I hope you guys are enjoying as I'm entertaining you guys like this. And yeah, we have this area. Maybe look at your face tall.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sure.
Like why we chose this room.
Put on your seatbelt.
Basically why we chose this room.
Put on your helmet.
Let go, baby.
Brace yourself for this.
Couch, guys. Did you see that? Did you see that? Like the view. I'm just excited about the view. Oh Jesus, like. So guys, I can't even get enough of this view. Like, it's so nice. I just love it. Like, I just keep looking at it every time. Like, oh my god, look at this view. I just love it, guys. It's so nice. View is also really cool. Like I just stay outside and just watch. Like yeah, I really love it. From the balcony you can see the Tokyo Tower over there, like over there. Tokyo Tower and this nice view from here. Guys, I just love it. That's Tokyo Tower over there. Yeah, that's the tower. Everything is just so beautiful about this room. I just love it. I love it. Yeah, guys. So yeah, that's it.
Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
I want to wash my hand.
Okay. That's all.
How about you?
I will. Coming to wash my hands for in-room dinner. Bear is done setting up.
I'm not done.
Oh really? What else?
I need to wash my hands. Insect is entering.
Oh, should we just close the net?
Yeah.
So yeah. One out of how many roses did you get?
12.
12. Okay. Right, so we're having rice. Yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So we're done, and we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, we see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.